Hey there! Struggling with display issues can be quite a hassle, but today we're diving into a quick and effective guide: how to fix the resolution of an LG monitor on a Mac. Getting your monitor to display the perfect resolution can enhance your work and entertainment experience, and I'm here to help you achieve that crisp, clear display you deserve. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through various methods to adjust your LG monitor's resolution on a Mac. Whether it's for professional use, gaming, or creative endeavors, these solutions are designed to work with your Mac system to optimize your display settings seamlessly. Step 1. Check monitor compatibility. The first step is to ensure your LG monitor is fully compatible with your Mac. Start by visiting the official LG website to find your monitor model and check for any specific drivers or software updates needed for Mac compatibility. Regularly updating your monitor's drivers can resolve many resolution issues with ease. Step 2. Use system preferences. Next, navigate to the System Preferences on your Mac. Click on Displays to access the display settings. Here you will find the Resolution option. Make sure Default for Display is selected for optimal results. If it doesn't work, select the Scaled option and manually choose a resolution that looks best on your LG monitor. Step 3. Utilize Display Menu app. For those seeking more control, the third-party app Display Menu is a game changer. Available on the Mac App Store, this app lets you access a wider range of resolution settings for your LG monitor. After downloading, you can quickly switch between resolutions directly from the menu bar, giving you freedom to match the best possible display standards effortlessly. Step 4. Adjust aspect ratio. Aspect ratio settings also play a critical role in display resolution. On your LG monitor, navigate to the Settings menu and ensure the aspect ratio matches your Mac's recommended settings, usually around 16:9 for widescreen displays, to maintain proportionality and visual clarity. Step 5. Reset PRAM, NVRAM. If resolution problems persist, resetting the PRAM and VRAM can help restore display settings to default. Restart your Mac and hold down Option Command P and R keys simultaneously for about 20 seconds. This reset can fix underlying settings issues that might be affecting how your Mac interacts with the monitor. Step 6. Monitor firmware update. Additionally, check for any firmware updates available for your LG monitor. Firmware updates can solve a range of display issues, including resolution constraints. Updating your monitor's firmware periodically ensures it supports the latest display configurations. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to fix the resolution of an LG monitor on a Mac. By checking monitor compatibility, utilizing system preferences, and exploring third-party applications, you can enjoy an optimized display setup tailored to your needs. Adjusting settings like aspect ratio and keeping your system software updated are crucial for maintaining the best visual experience. Remember always to ensure your changes are implemented while keeping your system secure and up to date. Enjoy the vibrant, high-definition visuals on your LG monitor and enhance your daily Mac experience. Happy viewing!